channel. Today I am celebrating Valentine's Day. Well, I'm doing this because it's not Valentine's Day today. Actually, it's I think the 12th. And also, I don't really care about Valentine's Day. I'm not a hater because I see a lot of haters online like, I've had enough of pink makeups. I've had enough of Valentine's Day lovers. I'm not like that. I mean, it's not that I hate Valentine's Day, it's just I don't really care. And I think it should be I think Valentine's Day should be every day and not just once a year. And I also think that Valentine's Day should be about loving anybody, just not your boyfriend or girlfriend. You can love yourself, for starter, it's really important. And you can love your friends and your family and your cat, your dog, and your imaginary friend. And you know, so yeah. I just wanted to do a Valentine's Day makeup because I just stumbled upon this amazing artist. And I saw this pic and I just fell in love with it. I want to give life to her art on my face and body, and yeah, that's how this makeup was done. Just because, you know, I just fell in love with her art. Anyway, I will leave you with the tutorial, and I'll see you next time. I'm going on a short vacation, snowboarding. So yeah, that's the sound I make when I snowboard. I hope I don't break anything, because in my family everybody breaks something. Sometimes it's my dad, sometimes it's me, sometimes it's my sister. And hopefully it's not me, hopefully it's no one. But yeah, I will be away for a week, but I will see you very soon. Have fun, enjoy the tutorial, and let's have love.
Well guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I sure know how to draw flowers now. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It makes me so happy and motivates me. And I love sharing my passion with you guys. Like, you have no idea how much I love it, reading your comments and seeing your likes, seeing my channel grow very slowly but growing. It is amazing. It is an amazing feeling to be able to do something you love and share it with the world. And yeah, again, check out this artist on Instagram. She's absolutely amazing. She's very talented, and her name is GDBEE. I have put a link to her profile in the video description, so check out her profile, follow her, give her some love, because she inspired me. I mean, I recreated her digital art on my body, so I hope she likes it and she doesn't think that I ruined it. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new makeup. Bye!